I'm learning English now. I'm learning English now. Good. I will speak well. Good. I will speak well. I'm reading. I'm reading. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. How are you, John? How are you, John? I'm good. I'm good. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 20. I'm 20. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Do you like English? Do you like English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. English is easy. English is easy. Thank you.